most admired actor in Hollywood. Can ask Leonardo, DiCaprio, Meryl Streep, or whatever actor you have in mind. They all admire him. He has 3 Oscars, but even like this, he decided to leave the industry, to leave the red carpet, and to make shoes. In 1997, Daniel Day-Lewis announced that he was retrieving from the industry, from Hollywood, for a break. Nobody knew why and to do what. But actually what he did is that he left London, he left Hollywood to go to Florence, first in Italy, and then Spain to learn how to make shoes. He was an apprentice under master codler Stefano Bemer, and he learned how to handmade crafted shoes in a workshop, working all day long with his hands, making shoes, living a very retrieved life, very quiet life, almost an hermit. And he just decided to come back in 2002 for his movie Gangs of New York by Martin Scorsese, when he, again, of course, gained all the public recognition and all the applause. So what does it mean? What does it tell us? Success is not the applause. Success is not, even if you are on top of the top, success is alignment. Success is what you feel, if you feel aligned or not. And if you feel stuck, if you have your own Hollywood, your own golden age, but you are stuck in it, it's normal. First, it's normal, all right? Daniel Day-Lewis, he had 3 Oscars and he felt this emptiness. Emptiness can be only filled by alignment. So if you are stuck in your own Hollywood and you want to set free, you want to build a new life, first it's normal and you deserve it. You can do it and it's normal, all right? Success is not being on top of your industry, on top of your job, or having the big money. I repeat it, success is alignment. If you don't feel aligned, and you want to start to build a new life, you can start by simple things. First, you can download my free guide, 7 secrets I share with you to break free. You can also book a free call for clarity. You know what? One conversation can start and change everything. Just one conversation. It's free. Call me and let's talk about it. And if you are too shy to do so, it's okay. Just hit the like button if you felt something listening to this story. And what I want you to stay with is you are normal. You are normal if you have everything average people feel they want to have, and you have it, but you still feel empty. It's normal. Okay? You're not a bad person. You're not weird. Because I repeat, success is alignment. What is outside and inside. Sometimes it doesn't fit. That's it.